Welcome to the Cebu plant of Monde Nissin Corporation. We are in the Cebu City metropolis, the capital city of the Visayas region of the Philippines. Cebu plant is the second plant put up by the company. It was constructed in 1990, 10 years after the first plant in Laguna started operations. We are certified by the SGS with the FSSC or Food Safety System certification. The plant sits on a 3-hectare lot in Mandaue City, and it has 3 production plants, a noodles, biscuits, and a wafer production plant. Our facilities include warehouses for raw materials, packaging materials, and finished goods. We have 3 boilers of more than 2,000 horsepower, a power genset of more than 2 megawatts, refrigeration, air compression facilities, and a wastewater treatment plant that processes 200 cubic meters a day. We believe in sustainability, thus we use cocoa shell as fuel to create heat energy. Cocoa shell is crushed and fired in a biomass boiler to create steam used in making instant noodles. We also operate 2 bunker fuel boilers. From these silos, we start with our main ingredient flour, where it is automatically blended and stored. From our warehouses, we then prepare the packaging materials for the products scheduled for manufacture. These are our current noodle brands Lucky Me Instant Mommy, Pancit Canton, and Supreme Mini Cup. For biscuits, we have breadsticks, bingo, and eggnog. Our wafer plant makes nissin classic and stick wafer. For the raw materials, wheat flour is used for both noodles and biscuits. This is sourced from our own mill in Laguna and from Cebu-based suppliers. In a few months, we will be shifting from 25 kilo bags to bulk flour deliveries in plastic-lined container vans. For our biscuits and wafer products, the major ingredients are shortening, eggs, sweeteners, and milk. For our noodle products, the other major raw materials include alkali agents, powder seasonings, soy sauce, and oil, which are sourced from our seasoning plant in Laguna. Our noodles process starts after flour is blown from the silo to hoppers in the noodle plant mixing area. Here, flour, water, and alkali is mixed to form dough, which goes to a series of rollers to create our desired thickness. The dough undergoes slitting into strands and waving before it is steamed in the right temperature and pressure. It is then cut and fried for a few minutes at a specified temperature, and when cooked, they pass through cooling conveyors. Cebu plant makes quick-cooked noodles in bags, which are the Instant Mani and Pancit Canton. It also makes no-cook noodles in mini cups. After the seasonings and noodles are placed inside the cups are sealed with lid covers, and they pass through a shrink wrapping machine to preserve product quality. Each cup has a date code for traceability. For the noodles in bags, powder seasonings and soy sauce and oils are dropped from flavor dispensers to join the noodle cake as they both enter the packaging machine for primary packing. Many of the bags undergo secondary packaging at 6 in a pack. They are processed in a multi-packing machine. We now go to wafer production, where we make classic flat wafers and stick wafers. For stick wafer, 2 colors of batter are each made in a fast mixer to create the needed viscosity. A white batter is ribboned onto a colored batter of either chocolate or strawberry, and then cream filling is added during the baking. The cooked wafers are then sorted and cooled for primary packing and then secondary packing. In bingo cookies, the dough is molded into round shapes, and after baking, cream is deposited onto the cookie and then capped into a sandwich. The sandwich goes into a cooling tunnel before they are grouped, wrapped in packaging machines, and placed into cases. The cases are then taped and palletized. In biscuits production, Cebu plant also makes breadsticks and eggnog cookies in various stock-keeping units, and bingo cookie sandwich in vanilla, orange, and chocolate flavors. the noodle plant, our bags and cups of noodles are placed in cases using an automatic caser and are conveyed down to the finished goods warehouse. On some occasions, the products are directly loaded onto waiting trucks for distribution to our customers. As one of the top corporations of the country, Monde Nissin strives for excellence in our operations. We want the best for our stakeholders, for our employees, and the satisfaction of our consumers. Thus we say, thank you for visiting with us today.